Welcome back to the channel, YouTubing. Paddock Kart Scale Dreams. First off, I just want to say thank you to my subscribers, viewers. I really appreciate all the support in the last video, and of course, throughout my channel. Of course, the last video I did, it's been 7 days. It was the model cars and coffee last week. So obviously, I haven't had much time to get up here and build. I did get a shop card in the mail, so let's do a quick shop card shout out before I get into this. And so that's for Joe over at Model Building Corner. Sent his new shop card as well. Or sorry, this is his old one and this is his newer one. Some really cool builds over there. Just go check Joe out. Give him a like, sub. Let him know I sent you. Give him some support and love. I really like the background on this one. It's really cool. Good job there, Joe, and I appreciate the good words on the back. And appreciate your support. So that's for Joe. Go check out Joe. You can find his link in the description if I can get it to work. Sometimes I can't get these links to work in the description. I don't know why. I don't know if it's my phone won't let me connect. I do the @ thing and sometimes it comes up and a lot of the times it doesn't. So anyways, like I said, I haven't got much done in terms of model building, but of course we're going to thank Paul over at Left Coast Model Build. Is it Model Build? I should know this by now. But I don't have his card on hand. Hopefully it's in the mail. I know I sent him one out. So yeah, so we'll just get this turned around. We'll have a look at this model that I built quite a few years ago. And yeah, so let's get you flipped around. Okay, so today we're going to have a look at the 72 Chevy truck. This AMT kit, as you can see, is another kit that I have here. Really love this body style. I have one sitting outside that needs restoring. Beautiful trucks in my eyes. So I tried to do it in the classic colors. That's all Duplicolor paints. Just a generic blue and white. Polished. Not very well, but one of my first polish jobs. I built this about 20 years ago. The only thing about the kit that really was tough for me was the box. Comes in like 5 different pieces, so that it's tough to get that lined up. And then for some reason, it's for me, my kit sat a little bit funny. So there, it's not level all the way across here. Actually, this side looks pretty level. I think it's this side that, yeah, this side. This side's not very level, and then it kind of angles down, if you can see that. So I didn't quite get that as good as it could have been. So I added the antenna, my usual aluminum exhaust tips. These are RE wheels, and then I just put parts box tires on it. Dirtied up the bed. Lost this mirror. I have the other mirror in the back. Still got to put that back on. This was before I was pinning my mirrors, so obviously they fell off. So that's why you should pin your mirrors and some of your outer stuff. So what else here? I just used some random decals from an old, not from an old, from a Chevelle kit that I ordered off. I think it was, who the heck was it now? Oh shoot, I can't remember. But anyways, the decals came out pretty good, decent enough. All molded in headlights, which is okay, but I could have used a little bit of more black washing around those. It's all BMF, and then I painted all the wood trim. Let's see. Pretty basic underneath. It's all molded in. Yeah, pretty basic underneath. I added this hitch. Scratch built the hitch. I lost the ball for it. Tailgate sits a bit wonky, but it does open. Interior, no decals for gauges, so I just picked those out. Pretty basic in there. Just all paint and BMF. I did try and lower this, or yeah, well, put it lower in the chassis to raise up the rear end a little bit to give it a good stance. So it sits, reminds me of some old trucks that my uncles used to have. They had a really nice stance like that and big fat tires in the back. So the engine is, so you can see there's a bit of scratches in the paint. I wasn't that great at polishing. I'm sure if I went back and polished this, it would turn out a little bit better, but there's no clear over this, so I mean, I did burn through right on the center on this body line, so that's where I stopped. Yeah, it is what it is. So the engine is a 454 out of the heavy Chevy kit. So I saved this old kit engine from the parts box from when I was a kid. This was one of my kits that I had built, and saved the engine. So that's really cool. Got to save that and use it up. So quite a bit of wiring underneath there. And then I made a lift-off air cleaner. Put mesh in there. Made a bottom for it. So yeah, all in all, really fun build. I wasn't too great at masking, and it was kind of my first two-tone paint job. So I didn't do the rooftop white. So I was pretty exhausted just taping that centerpiece off. I'd had enough of that paint job, so I just went with the blue top. So yeah, pretty happy with this build. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you, Paul, for hosting this segment of Model Cars and Coffee. And hope everyone has a great rest of their weekend. And talk to you all soon. Pat out. Model on. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.